Hey guys, it's April with the April Bradshaw Team here. I'm going to talk to you about how to get your house ready to show. Not ready to sell, that's a whole other video, but this one is ready to show. Okay, sometimes you guys, we only get one chance and we got to put our best foot forward. So here's some of the things that I like to tell my sellers to be ready to show their house. First of all, you want to make sure that it's clean, everything's put up. That's just standard practice. Make sure that you have some curb appeal. Try to have some fresh mulch, fresh flowers. Make sure your front door looks good. The front porch is swept off and looks really good. Get all the leaves. It's that time of year where the front porch looks horrible. So make sure it looks really good. So as soon as they walk in, you want to make sure that all the lights are on, all the blinds are open. Try to have your thermostat set for like 72 degrees, not too hot, not too cold. If it's a cold day, turn it up just a little bit, okay? Always have your ceiling fans kind of running on low just to keep the air circulating. Scentsy warmers are amazing to use. You can also use some plugins, but I will tell you that we've gotten feedback just this week on a listing that the seller had too much fragrance going on. So we just need to make sure that it's just really subtle, but it's enough to make you get that, oh, it smells really nice in here, okay? Set out some cookies if you have time, if it's on the weekend. I know that when you leave for work, you don't know if you're going to have a showing or not sometimes. So I know you can't do some of these things, but bake some fresh cookie, put some lemonade out in the summer, do something, have the TV running, soft music, or if you don't have a fireplace, put the fire going on. All these TVs now have these apps, so you can put those on there. Have some soft music playing. You can also put that on your TV. One of the things that we recommend is that on the back patio, if that's like a big selling point for you and you have a really nice covered patio, make it look inviting. Have some pitcher of water, ice water sitting out, have some snacks, whatever, just have the pillows out, flowers, make it look like it's being used. If you have a pool, throw out some cute floaties out there, flamingos, round donut tubes, whatever, just make it look like it's being used, and make sure it's clean. I can't tell you how many times, I know in the winter it's hard to keep a pool clean, but try to have the pool, if you have one, looking amazing. Okay. Pressure wash. That's so important, you guys. Pressure wash even around the pool, even for sure out in the front, but that's what made me think of that. I know that every day we have our toothbrushes and our brushes and our flat iron and our curling irons and our blow dryers and all the things that we use, our vitamins. Gosh, I have so many vitamins sitting out, but I tell our sellers to get a plastic tub. I wish I had one to look at. A plastic tub, throw it all in there and stick it underneath your cabinet. Pull up your rugs in your bathroom too after you get it ready for work in the morning and put them in your cabinets. Okay, no rugs, no bathroom rugs out on the floor. I know it's impossible to leave them out the whole time the house is on the market, or up inside your cabinets. So when you get home, you can put them back out. But before you leave for work, because you don't know if you're going to have a showing or not, do all of those things. Go ahead and open your blinds, turn your lights on. If you have a theater room, this is one of the things, a movie room, put on a nice, fun, cute movie. If you have kids, have the game room ready, set out, make some fresh popcorn. You guys, we have one chance. So make sure that if you have these things, that your house is ready to go. Beds made. I know if you have kids, it's so horrible, but try to make your beds, try to make everything look ready to go. If you have a teenage boy, like I do, oh, those are horrible. So make sure that it smells good. The bathrooms are clean. There's nothing worse than walking into a house when those things haven't been done. Closets. People ask me all the time, do my closets have to be clean? Yes. They don't have to be like Studio McGee where everything matching and labels and the baskets are all the same color and everything's rolled up and folded. But you guys, it has to be somewhat organized. Okay. Again, we have this all on paper in a booklet, a checklist, excuse me, that you can have. So just let me know if you want a copy of it. In the meantime, subscribe if you like our YouTube channel, and definitely click on that little bell so you can get notified when we have our next video. All right, guys, talk to y'all soon. Bye.